I'm back. I hope everyone's keeping well. Today I'll be making my favorite Chinese sweet and sour chicken. I know the ingredients looks really intensive, but promise to God it's pretty much simple. Like I say, preparation is key always. So yeah, let's get cooking. Hope you guys enjoy. So guys, we're going to start with making the chicken first. So we're just going to fry them in a batter. Like majority of my frying recipes, it's pretty much simple. So in here I have 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. In this little bowl I have half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of coarse black pepper. What we're going to do is just going to add that in there like so and just mix that into that mixture. All we're going to do is get some eggs, whisk it. I've only got 1 egg, so I needed 2, but I'm going to try and do my best to coat as much of the chicken I can. What we're going to do, dip your chicken in your egg. And then dip it in the flour mixture. So carry on doing that with all of your chicken. Right, so we have our chicken all covered in the corn flour and flour mixture. What we're going to do is we're just going to fry them off until they're nice and golden brown. So bear with me while I just do this really quickly. Might need to do these in batches depending on how much chicken you're frying. Right guys, now our chicken is fried. We've kept it on the side. We're going to start with the sauce. So in theory the sauce shouldn't take that long. It'll probably take like 10 minutes. So let's get cooking. We're going to start off with the onions. I've just chopped them into random size pieces because that's what I do for these kind of things. I like my vegetables to be really chunky. So I'm going to add that into the oil. It's going to break them up inside. Just going to let the onions cook down for a couple of minutes until they get translucent. And now that the onions have got translucent, I'm going to add in the peppers. And whilst that's gone in, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of ground ginger and garlic. So pop that in like that. We're going to put 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup in, 2 tablespoons of malt vinegar, stir that in, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If you've got dark brown sugar, or the muscovado sugar, that makes it a bit better, but I've only got this, so I'm going to add that. And then from your cans of pineapple, I've put in the whole tin of the pineapple juice, and I'm just going to put it in and then just stir it. And what we'll do is just let all of that cook down, and the sauce will thicken, and that's about it. And it's halfway done. So just let that boil down and cook. You get that nice consistency. If your sauce doesn't thicken, then what we'll do is we'll add in some corn flour and a little bit of water to make a paste, and then that will gradually thicken this. So I'm just going to let that cook for about 5 minutes, and hopefully it should start bubbling. Don't keep on stirring it. Stir it every so often, and then we'll be back. Right guys, it's not boiling over, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some cornstarch and just a little bit of water in it, like so. If you mix it like this, it forms into like a little paste. What you do is, so you form it into like a little paste, pour that in there like so. After a few minutes, this will start boiling over and thickening up. Oh, you can see it's already doing it so quick. So now our sauce is nearly done. We just add in the chicken to warm it all up. And then your sweet and sour is basically done. And I really like I'm really weird, so I like my sweet and sour dry. So you don't really necessarily need to put the cornflour mixture in it. I'm a bit strange like that, but you know, I love it. And then now you get that whole sticky texture in your sauce. Just gonna let that just warm up the chicken, and I'm gonna serve it with some rice, or you can serve it with noodles, whatever you prefer. And that is your sweet and sour chicken. And there you go guys, sweet and sour chicken. So thank you for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and try out my recipes and let me know what you think. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.